Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of quiet shop vacs. Whether you're working in your garage, workshop, or even indoors, you want a vacuum that delivers powerful suction without the noise. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best quiet shop vacs that combine performance, durability, and silent operation. As usual, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the DeWalt 6-gal Stealthsonic Shop Vacuum. This model boasts a powerful 5-peak HP motor and delivers an impressive airflow of 90 CFM with noise levels below 65 dB. The standout feature is its innovative quiet technology, making it one of the quieter options available, perfect for home use or job site cleaning without disturbing your surroundings. The vacuum is equipped with a 6-gallon capacity, giving you plenty of room for both wet and dry debris, and comes with 6 bonus dust bags for extended usage. The design is lightweight at 19.2 pounds, and its 4 sturdy casters and robust handle make it easy to maneuver. The accessory kit includes specialized brushes and nozzles, enhancing its versatility for cleaning tight corners, car interiors, or workshop spaces. The onboard hose strap and accessory storage bag keep everything organized, which is always a plus for busy users. However, despite its performance, the customer rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars indicates that some users felt it lacked the durability compared to other DeWalt models. Overall, the DeWalt 6-gal Stealthsonic Shop Vacuum is a solid choice for those who prioritize quiet operation and a user-friendly design. It's ideal for light to moderate cleaning tasks, but it falls short in terms of build quality for heavier industrial use. Pros include powerful suction, large capacity, and noise reduction tech, while cons are the slightly lower customer ratings and limited portability compared to smaller models. At number 4, we have the DeWalt 5-gallon Stealthsonic Shop Vacuum DXV05PQTA. With a 4-peak HP motor and a compact design, this vacuum strikes a great balance between power and portability. It offers an airflow of 85 CFM, making it capable of handling dry debris, liquid spills, and even dust on carpets and furniture. The noise level is kept below 65 dB, so you can use it in indoor spaces without disturbing others. Like other DeWalt models, it features quiet technology, which ensures reliable operation without excessive sound. The vacuum weighs 17 pounds and comes with a complete accessory kit, including 6 dust bags, multiple nozzles, and brushes to tailor your cleaning to various surfaces. The hose strap and accessory bag keep everything organized, while the sturdy wheels make it easy to roll around. Customer reviews rate it at 4.8 out of 5 stars, highlighting its excellent suction and quiet operation. However, some users noted that the vacuum could benefit from better hose attachments that are more secure during heavy-duty cleaning. This shop vac is ideal for homeowners looking for an efficient, quiet vacuum that can handle everyday messes. It's perfect for small to medium-sized spaces, though it might not be the best option for industrial or heavy-duty settings. Pros include its quiet operation, versatile attachments, and solid build quality. Cons are the slightly shorter hose reach and occasional issues with accessory fitting. Taking the third spot is the DeWalt 5-gal Stealthsonic Stainless Steel Shop Vacuum, DXV05SQTA. This model stands out with its durable stainless steel tank, providing extra strength and longevity for demanding tasks. It packs a 4-peak HP motor that delivers powerful suction, capable of cleaning up dry debris, dust, and liquid spills with ease. The noise level remains impressively low at 65 dB, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use without disturbing your environment. The vacuum weighs 18 pounds and features a compact design with rubberized wheels for smooth mobility. The accessory kit includes 6 disposable dust bags, a crevice nozzle, a utility nozzle, and other attachments tailored for different cleaning tasks. An accessory storage bag keeps everything organized, and the 10-foot cord combined with a 7-foot hose provides an extended reach for larger spaces. Customer reviews rate it at 4.6 out of 5 stars, with users praising its build quality and quiet operation. However, some users mentioned that the stainless steel tank adds weight, making it slightly less portable than plastic models. This shop vac is a great option for professionals or homeowners who need durability and consistent performance. It's ideal for garages, workshops, and even car detailing. Pros include its stainless steel construction, quiet operation, and versatile attachments. Cons are its heavier weight and limited portability compared to lighter models. Coming in at number 2 is the DeWalt 6-gallon Stealthsonic Wet-Dry Shop Vac DXV06P QT. This model features a powerful 5-peak HP motor and a noise level of just 65 dB, making it an excellent choice for both residential and commercial use. The 6-gallon capacity ensures fewer trips to empty the bucket, while the 17-foot cleaning reach gives you the flexibility to clean large areas without unplugging the vacuum. The vacuum is designed for heavy-duty tasks, with durable rubberized casters and a sturdy handle for easy portability. It comes with an accessory kit, including a round brush, floor brush, crevice nozzle, and more, allowing you to tackle various cleaning jobs effectively. Customer reviews rate it at 4.6 out of 5 stars, emphasizing its powerful suction and quiet operation. However, some users pointed out that the larger size makes it less convenient for storage in tight spaces. This shop vac is perfect for users who need a reliable and quiet vacuum for larger cleaning tasks. It's great for workshops, garages, and job sites. Pros include its large capacity, powerful motor, and versatile attachments. Cons are its bulkier size and slightly higher weight compared to smaller models. And at number 1, we have the DeWalt 5-gallon Stealthsonic Shop Vacuum DXV05PQT. This model offers the perfect combination of compact size, powerful performance, and ultra-quiet operation. With a 4-peak HP motor and a noise level of only 65 dB, it's 50% quieter than previous models, making it ideal for indoor use without disturbing others. The 5-gallon capacity strikes a balance between portability and sufficient storage for wet and dry debris, making it a versatile choice for home, garage, or workshop cleaning. The vacuum weighs just 16.19 pounds and features non-marring rubberized casters for smooth movement. It comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, including extension wands, a crevice nozzle, and a floor brush, offering excellent versatility for tackling various messes. The 17-foot cleaning reach, combined with a quick connect locking vacuum port, ensures efficient cleaning without constant replugging. With a 4.8 out of 5-star rating from customers, users rave about its quiet performance, strong suction, and durable design. The only drawback is that it's slightly less powerful than the 6-gallon models, but its compact size makes up for this. This shop vac is the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a quiet, high-performing vacuum that's easy to use and store. It's perfect for homeowners, DIYers, and professionals alike. Pros include its quiet operation, lightweight design, and comprehensive accessory kit. Cons are its slightly smaller capacity compared to larger models, but it still delivers exceptional value. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you pick the perfect quiet shop vac for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these vacuums or need further recommendations, drop a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.